These are 5 money saving tips that will change your life forever. Stay tuned to find out what they are. Welcome back. Let's get right into the video. These are 5 money saving tips that are going to change your life forever. Let's get started. Number 1, stop buying stuff because they're convenient. Convenience is the number 1 most expensive commodity in the world. I repeat, stop buying stuff because it's convenient. That coffee you're making in the morning, make it at home. Those snacks you get in the middle of the day, bring them from home. If you have a soda or if you have an energy drink or something like that, go to the store, buy them in bulk when they're on sale, of course, and make sure you're bringing those with you at all times. Stop going to convenience stores. Stop going to gas stations and buying sodas and drinks and snacks and stuff like that because you need to drink it or eat it right now. You're spending double, triple, or quadruple the price just because you need it now. Convenience, again, is very, very expensive. Stop doing it immediately. Number 2, stop paying for the past. What do I mean by stop paying for the past? Credit card interest, and overdraft fees. If you can't afford to pay for it right now, don't buy it. If you got to put it on credit and you don't have the money 10 months from now, don't buy it. 1 month from now, don't buy it. Only pay for things with your credit cards if you're going to pay your credit card off every month. I don't pay any interest on my credit cards. All my credit cards are paid off every month. If they do have a balance on them, I've got a 0% offer on those cards, and I'm saving up money to pay off those balances when the term ends. It doesn't make any sense to be paying billions of dollars in this country for credit card fees and overdraft fees. It's a huge industry, and these companies want you to do it. So I'm telling you right now, stop paying for the past. It doesn't make any sense. If you can't afford it right now, don't buy it. Tip number 3, stop buying cheap stuff. Did he just say stop buying cheap stuff? Yes, I did. I said stop buying cheap stuff. Makes no sense. Why does it make no sense? Because you're going to have to replace it. You're going to have to replace it, and cheap stuff is the most expensive commodity in the world under convenience. When I said before you have to replace it, think about all that stuff you have in your cabinets. Is that the first one you've had? Probably not. You probably bought 5 of them before that one. When you could have bought a really good one, potentially with a lifetime guarantee, and you could have it forever. Hand it down to your kids. They can hand it down to their kids. Save money generationally. It doesn't make any sense to buy cheap stuff if you're going to have to replace it. This could come in with a car. This could come in with pots and pans, cutlery, furniture, all sorts of stuff like that. Remember, you got a couch in your living room you got from your parents. Why do you have it now? Because that thing lasted. Why is that car in your driveway that lasted past 10 years handed down for your dad? Because that car lasts, it's dependable, and you want to fix it. Ever hear of a Daewoo? If you haven't, that's because they're not on the road anymore. They were cheaply made, and that's why they're not selling them anymore, because they were cheap. Cheap stuff doesn't last. It makes no sense to buy cheap stuff. Again, why are you going to buy 10 of something when you can buy 1 of something? It all adds up. And what you get is what you pay for. Stop buying cheap stuff right now. You'll appreciate that I said so. Tip number 4, make your money work for you. Make my money work for me? What does that mean? I work for my money. No. Make your money work for you. Really important. Why is your money sitting in a savings account at 0.0000001% when you could be in a high yield savings account? As far as I saw yesterday, those are up to like 5%. It doesn't make any sense that your money sit there and stagnate. Or you could try an index fund. Those are pretty stable as far as I know. But again, do your research before you invest in something like that. Put your money into other things like commodities, gold, silver, precious metals. Again, do your research before you put your money in there. But it's much better than sticking it in a savings account that's not going to do anything. Another thing, spend money on education, relevant education for your field or the field you're trying to go into, especially if it's something that you're looking at for your future. Spending money on education is really important, and it's something that is an investment above all else because it's an investment in you. I highly recommend it. So again, spend money on education or save money in things that are going to give you revenue. It doesn't make any sense to just let your money sit there. Save your money or spend it to better yourself. Thank you. And without further ado, tip number 5. Why do I keep bringing this up? Stop spending money on things at full price. Use coupons and sales whenever you buy anything. I don't buy anything at full price if I don't have to. It makes absolutely no sense. I brought it up a whole bunch of times, and I'm going to keep bringing it up. Stop paying full price. If you need it today to live on, and you're not going to survive without it, I'm not telling you not to buy it. But if you can wait a week or two till it's on sale, buy it then. You're going to appreciate it much, much more because you paid less for it and you got a deal on it. And you're going to appreciate this advice too. It doesn't make any sense to pay full price on anything if you don't have to. So before you go out and buy something, look for a coupon. Before you go out and buy something, check between stores and shop different stores to find better prices using sales flyers, or call the stores, or look online. Do whatever you can to find out what the cheapest possible way of buying that item you will want, or that food or drink you want is going to be. Again, stop buying things at full price. I'm done. Have a great day and thank you for watching.